Jay making movies. Jay making movies.
Rock money knows.
Jay to go, action. Michael Jackson Thriller, pull up in the ghost. Hop up out that bit, all black folks. Couple racks on me, ballin' in the post. Bank rollin' the soul, premise told. Mess with me now, channel on go. Barely flexin' on them, haters do the most. Million on the way, bout to raise a toast. Got a new name, call him Jay to go.
YouTube family, what's good, what's going on? We are back and we are here with a detailed review, man. Yes, man, your boy Jay has the detailed review of the Jordan 3 Midnight Navies, y'all. This shoe is set to be one of the 3 shoes that is set to release on December 16th. Retail price on this pair in particularly will be $200 in adult sizing. Of course, it will be in a full family size, so as the sizing trickles down, so will the price, man. So definitely a clean pair of shoes, man. It is nothing new to the Midnight Navy lineup. We have seen all sorts of Midnight Navy Jordans of recent lately. We've seen 4s, we've seen 5s, we've seen 11s. I mean, the list goes on, 6s, but this one right here is a clean pair. I told y'all like a couple years ago, or maybe a year or so ago, about my prediction on Jordan 3s, y'all. I think Jordan brand wants to kind of shift over to the Jordan 3 silhouette as far as making it that next oomph, you know what I'm saying? They want to make that the next big silhouette. Jordan 4s, we know, have been standing on 10 toes for the last 2-3 years, but I see the Jordan 4 hype kind of fading a little bit, and I just foresee them moving towards the Jordan 3s. But that's not here though, man. If this is y'all first time stopping through, glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay, man. I would love for y'all to stick around by hitting that subscribe button, man. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Trust me, you will not regret it, man. Over here we do vlogs, we do pickups, we do early looks, man. We do a lot of early looks, and everything over here is 100% authentic, man. Y'all got to know, you know what I'm saying? But we do lace swaps, we do, you know, we do a lot of different things over here, man. So we would love for y'all to stick around. 2024, y'all, your boy Jay, like I said, I'm gonna try to branch off into a couple newer brands. I'm not gonna go too crazy because I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, untune y'all, but I'm gonna just go ahead and test the waters and see where that goes. But I do truly appreciate all the support, man. Y'all let me know if y'all are looking forward to that or not by thumbsing up the video, man. Thumbs it up just because your boy Jay has been hitting y'all with this consistent content, man. So go ahead, go crazy on the likes. But yes sir, without any further ado, we do got them 3s to talk about, so let's dive right into it. Bang, y'all. So here we have them, the Air Jordan 3 in the Midnight Navy colorway, y'all. Clean pair of shoes, clean. However, this will be another shoe that I feel will get overlooked, y'all, because of everything surrounding it, y'all. It's so much releasing, and like I said, y'all, this in particular shoe is releasing alongside 2 other shoes, the Jordan 2 Christmas, as well as the hitter, the Jordan 8 Soulflies, which I was very highly impressed with, man. If you haven't checked out that vid yet, man, make sure y'all check that one out, y'all. But definitely this is a clean pair, but it is a sleeper. I don't think that these will sell out by any means, man. Y'all comment down below, are y'all going after these? Did y'all pick them up? Y'all let me know, you know, the verdict on these. But clean shoe, Midnight Navy 3s, y'all. With all that summary out the way, y'all, let's go ahead and dive into the official review. So taking a look at the box that it does come in, y'all, no secret, Jordan brand has been giving us these special boxes. This is one of those Jordan 3 boxes that we have seen recently with the all over white on the right side of the box, and on the left side of it, you do have the cement or elephant print. I want to say that's cement, but you do have that. We got a navy blue Jumpman on the top, and on the size tag on this one, it does read Air Jordan 3 Retro, color blocking this white Midnight Navy. Very simplistic. I recommend going true to size on your Air Jordan 3s. I think Jordan 3s are a very comfortable shoe, and I think they're very good when it comes to sizing, y'all. So if you want to grab a pair of these, I say go true to size. Maybe a half size up. If you have wide feet, because they're like a snug, solid fitting shoe, you might want to go half size up if you have a wider foot. But outside of that, true to size, I think you will be good on your Jordan 3s. But outside of that, when you pop open the box lid, you will see that you do have 2 things on the top of the upper lid. You will have a lot number as well as a stamp. I don't know what stamp that is, but you will have that there, as well as I can definitely see the whelping of the Jumpman from the top of the lid, y'all. So make sure that you're able to see all those details if you are picking up any pairs outside of any retail stores, man, just to kind of, you know, make sure that your pair is 100% what it's supposed to be. But inside of the box, we got elephant print on the paper. It does have, what is there any more? Nah, it's just one single sheet of elephant print paper in there, no other extra paper. And outside of that, y'all, that is it for the box presentation of the Jordan 3 Midnight Navies, y'all. So with that out the way, let's go ahead and check out the shoes. So yeah, starting with the bottom, the outsole, y'all, you can see we do got navy blue hits. We got that soft tech gray. We got that Jordan written in that navy blue as well. White hits surrounding that, and that is pretty much it for the outsole of the shoe. When we move up to the uppers, y'all, we got that little strip on the bottom of that pure white. This shoe does have a all over white color. It does not have any sail or anything like that, but you got the white hit on the bottom. When you move up above that, we got some navy blue hits, y'all. Quality control seems pretty solid on this pair. One thing I can say that will definitely differ from pair to pair is the leather, y'all. So as you can see, the leather right there going up on the other upper, the all white area, it is very plush, very tumble on my right shoe, y'all. But how I know it will be definitely quality control's issue with these shoes is on my other pair, it is kind of smoothened out, y'all. So it's a difference between just the two shoes that I have here, man. This is one pair, but there's a difference in both shoes. One is a little more smoother, one is a lot more tumbled, y'all. So I know there will be definitely quality control issues with this shoe, but it is a nice grain of leather, the leather that I do have on the pair that I have. But back to those materials, man, we got a nice elephant print going around the toe cap area. Nice low OG style elephant print, man. Got it right there on the back as well. I think they did a good job with the elephant print. It's not too high, it's not too crazy. One thing I question was the color, y'all. Is it too dark? Is it too dark? Maybe, maybe not. I think it actually works. It looks pretty good on feet. I'm not mad at it overall, but you do got the elephant printing right there. When you take a look at the back of the shoe, we got a Jumpman back there with the air in the navy blue. We don't get any extra papers or anything on the back tab here like we have seen on previous Jordans, but we do got our perforated holes with the navy blue hits around the ankle collar right there. And moving on to the side of the shoe, we got perforated holes on this soft gray hit going up around the laces. A lot of people compared this shoe to the Jordan 3 Wizards. Bang! In which I will let y'all make y'all decision on which one y'all like better. I'm not gonna persuade y'all. Wizards. But anyways, on this shoe, I was just talking about that little hit around the laces. I like the cement print around the laces a little bit better. It gives it a little bit more character if you ask your boy Jay. But this one just has, of course, the OG style, just the one color around that lace hole. But y'all let me know, man. Wizards or Midnight Navies? Outside of the gray hits right there, we got our navy blue lace holder holes right there. Tongue is a all over gray with the perforated holes going all the way up till you get to the white hit on the tongue with your stitched navy blue Jumpman, man. More navy blue hits around, of course, the lace eyelets at the top. And when you take a look towards the inner of the shoe, you got the nice gray, soft gray fleece interior right there. And of course, it does have the OG style. You cannot see any colors from the front of the shoe right there, but when you turn it around a little bit, you get that nice hit of navy blue fleece from the back right there. Inside of the shoe, we do got a navy blue, y'all. It's a navy blue insole that y'all can barely see, but it's navy blue side sticker in there. You got a white Jumpman, and it does have shoe paper, no shoe tree, y'all. So shoe paper, no shoe tree on this one. Of course, shoe trees are, I guess, a thing of the past, but size tag on this one reads that these were manufactured from June through August, y'all. 2 month production on these, June through August. And another thing to point out, it does have widow's peaks. We got a widow's peak right there on the front of the shoe. There's another one right there on the top, right before you get to the tongue. And I think that might be the only 2 widow's peaks I'm seeing. Yep, that's it, y'all. So 2 widow's peaks right there. But the Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies, y'all, December 16th, $200. These will be sitters. Sleepers. Is this the sleeper of the month? I don't know, man. There's so many shoes. I got to go through the list and let y'all know. But this shoe will definitely make it on my Get Fresh for Retailer Less video, which I will be having coming out soon, man. Appreciate y'all for y'all feedback. But the Jordan 3 Midnight Navy, solid pair in my opinion. If I had to give it a rating on a scale from 1 to 10, man, these right here, I got to give them a solid 8.5, man. Solid 8.5 shoe. It is clean. It is not bad by any means. The leather quality is there. I think it's a nice shoe. However, it was not needed, man. This shoe could have dropped around maybe June next year. Sometime when we get a slower month in sneakers. I felt like they just tried to cram these out. And speaking of cramming them out, y'all, these were supposed to be releasing in 2024, and it was pushed up, y'all. But the Midnight Navy Jordan 3s, man, I'm not mad at them overall. They will be widely available. They won't sell out, and if they do sell out, it'll probably take a little while. But y'all let me know if y'all are copping or not. Outside of that, your boy Jay is checking out with them, man. Y'all thumbs it up for your boy Jay. Let me know what y'all think about the swaps, what y'all think about the fit, and yeah, outside of that, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Y'all stay blessed. Midnight Navy 3s, y'all. It's movie time. Peace.
Yeah. Bang. Rock. Hold up. Wait a minute. Can't blow no candle, we stay lit. Oh yeah. So let it burn us your raiment. Yeah. We 10 toes down to the pavement. 10 toes. Over cash, yeah, we raining. A cool 100K, yeah, we gaining. Yeah. We online, but we ain't gaming. Oh no. But brother game, it ain't no shaming. Oh no. We the ones originated. Yeah. So you better show up with that payment. What was pure, these suckers tainted. Yeah. That's the picture that they painted, yeah. But they fake, they UA. Just Jay the sneaker, no fugazi. Yeah. Swap out the lace in my flu games. Yeah. Mr. Swap it out, he got 2 names. Yeah. Just a little info for your kinfolk, just in case they didn't know it. Yeah. Made a couple bandos for my handles, better ball, don't blow it. Challenger, master flow, tinted windows, I'ma go ahead, floor it. Tryna catch me slacking, but he swagger jacking, bruh, and I gotta report it. Sneak game. Bang. Sneak game.